Welcome back to the channel, everyone. This is Acro Flame. So I'm bringing y'all another video again today. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that way y'all can be updated. I'm gonna probably be pushing out more acro videos for y'all here pretty soon. But this is a routine that I was trying to figure out with one of the partners here in the area, and I think this was a pop variation if I'm not mistaken. So if y'all are brand new to this channel, y'all can follow me on Instagram. I have the link down in the description box below, but I'm kind of making my way from Instagram to YouTube to just grow on this platform as well too. But with that, I think we're trying some variations of reverse or Ninja Star to pops, Ninja Star pops, and I think we are kind of working it out a little bit. This is probably from someone else that we had learned Ninja Star pops from, and I haven't practiced these in a while, to be honest. This was an older video that I had found, and I just kind of want to push some of that content out, or just like revise it too, just go through it, just kind of see what I was working on in the past and what I am working on now. So my plan is to try and go back through all the videos that I've uploaded already and put markers on those videos to show what is where in those videos and what moves are where in those videos, so that way I can go back and look at the videos to see what is where, and if I want to show someone, I can click on that spot in the video. So y'all should be able to easily find different moves if y'all are curious. Hopefully I can tag those within the video itself. So I think we're trying, I don't know which one we're doing here. It looks like this is a pickpocket variation. So yeah, I think this is pickpocket. So this is a fun one. I actually like doing pickpocket a lot. It's one of those that a lot of the flyers in our areas they know it already too. So it's a good one to just revise here and there whenever we revisit sometimes too as well. So looks like we did a pickpocket to a big Lemoy. This is a big Lemoy right here. So yeah, I was actually teaching Big Lemoy to someone else today, and this will be a good reference for them to come watch this video, maybe to come see it. So hopefully y'all enjoy the background music. I hope it's not too loud, especially with my voiceover and everything as well. Sit and spin is pretty much a Big Lemoy, just the opposite direction, or it's basically a ballerina in just the opposite direction. So I didn't quite make it through the whole routine. That was a pretty lengthy routine as well to try and maneuver through, so maybe we can go over that next time. But yes, hugs are always welcomed at the end. So yep, let's see what we got next. I think we were gonna go through a move called 420 here, so we can see what's happening. So side star. In 420, I think I usually started on this side. I learned it starting it on this side, and now I've kind of gotten used to doing it the other way and rotating the opposite direction. So this is it's a super turny move. It's like one of the heavier spin moves that a lot of us practice right now. And there's not a lot of people in our community that know it too well. So I've been wanting to get better at it, so that way I can teach other people within the community as well too, and to help progress everyone. So I think we're working on it a little bit here, but yeah, that 420 is definitely a hard one. It's very spin involved. It's similar to a Big Lemoy or a sit and spin, and then also ballerina. So it's fun to combine all of those eventually. We actually did a really nice video on my Instagram page. I don't think it's on mine. I think it's in my tagged videos if I'm not mistaken, but in my tagged videos there's a really pretty silhouette video of us doing a synchronized flow of ballerina, 420, and sit and spin. And it was like right in front of the lake too, so really pretty video to go watch and see. Here's another jam session that we are at as well. So that's a reminder for me that I need to work on 420 because I haven't done that one in a while, and to find a flyer that's good for it too as well. I think I'm practicing maybe some hand-to-hands here, possibly. So I could probably do them now. This was a couple of months ago, probably about 4 or 5 months maybe back. I think I've gotten a little bit stronger and just learned some better calibrations as well to practice hand-to-hands now. So that is one thing that I definitely struggle with a lot, is just the pressing motion. I should probably just do more push-ups or something as well to really get this down. So my load in here is not really on point either. I could be more back on the shoulders. When you load into the foot to hand, I can load more on the back of the shoulders and then push with my toes to help them get a little bit elevated as well. And the shoulders weren't very open there either. The pike is also not completely open, so that's probably something that's making her come down in front as well. But also at the same time, I definitely just need to get stronger. I've been trying to work on that as well too. I have a steady gym routine that I practice with a lot, and also a steady yoga routine as well, so that helps for the most part. But here I've been told that I have really flat wrists too as well, so I need to also work on pushing through my wrist to have a 45-degree bend in there. So trying to get better at these as well, but for some reason I don't know why my wrists end up flattening out. Been trying to figure that out for the most part, so just something that also I think I have to remind the flyer of as well too, is to maybe have like that 45-degree bend. I've been noticing my wrist is hurting a lot lately too, so maybe just kind of overdoing it right now. It's not a good thing, but this practice is like so much fun that it's hard to, you know, say, all right, I'm gonna give myself a break and recover, but you know, you always want to take the time to recover out of your practice and have those what they call deload weeks, I guess, in weightlifting for the most part. So but for the most part, I really don't take a lot of breaks from acro unless I'm recovering from an injury or something. Even then, it's okay, well, what can I do without causing any more pain to the injury? So looks like we were gonna go from a foot to hand there and didn't quite work out. So safe, graceful landing though, so that's always nice when you can gracefully land to the ground and bring your flyer down there with them too. But this was a fun sesh. Like I said, this was a while back, so I've definitely gotten a lot stronger since then, I hope, and definitely progressing a little bit more. So I think we gave our hand-to-hand one more try. And I actually practiced with this flyer not too long ago, but we're still having some issues with the hand-to-hand. We couldn't quite hit it. I think we got it. We were able to hold it a little bit longer than we were doing here, which is nice. Oh, that was good.